until I've grown older and had them in.
Now we've got to go and record all these sounds, so I'm liking the idea of us basic, because we're thinking like sort of like 15 minutes, half an hour kind of thing. So what we need to do is rock up to your driveway and record half an hour of Bush and I doing three. Sounding like the British Rally or something or other.
So just to confirm, and this is not a humble brag or anything like that, you have a roundabout in your drive. It's that big.
It's like a little circle with
Swindon has traded for years on stuff like that. Can we see it on Google Maps? You probably can see it on Google Earth. But when we get done with Actually Radio Car, we need to find Britain's most impressive driveway.
It's already a Channel 5 show.
Yeah. Considering the amount of weeds and overgrown hedge to get up to the driveway, I wouldn't say it's that impressive.